Alexi Brooks, what a very strong performance in the recent preliminary competition. First, pag-usapan natin yung swimsuit ni Alexi. I love na two-piece yung swimsuit niya because alam natin na she's very athletic at saka kitang-kita talaga ang abs ni Alexi. Next up is her gown. Ito na talaga yung signature colors ni Alexi, which is silver and gold. And as usual, is her signature cut na two-piece din, yung may pang-taas at saka yung may pang-baba. So to her designers, oh my gosh, ang ganda po ng gown ni Alexi. We can't wait to see what she's gonna wear in the finals. And when it comes to her Q&A, when asked if she should be the next Miss Universe Philippines, I love when Alexi said na people voted for her as the people's queen. And if ever Alexi wins, she will be the face of the so many Filipinos na underrepresented. Kumbaga, yan ang maganda sa Pilipino. Diverse tayo and perhaps they need a new face. And Alexi is a perfect